You should have stayed away. I came for the truth.
Yep. This entire 10 seconds video was made with AI, and guess what? It was made with Seedance 2.5 for free. No credit card, no subscriptions, and get this, the tool I'm using doesn't even have a payment option. So if you want to try Seedance 2.5 without paying, don't click away because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. You need to know what Seedance 2.5 is, and it's one of the most impressive AI video models available right now. You can give it a simple prompt and it can generate cinematic scenes with dynamic camera movement, detailed environments, and expressive characters. And what really separates it from a lot of other AI video generators is that it can create up to 30 seconds long generations from one prompt. Other AI video models just generate 10-15 seconds at most. So let me show you how to use it. Once you're inside this interface, you look for the video option and click it. Now you click the model selector and you can see it has Seedance 2.5. There it is. Yes, it's actually available here. Now I already have my prompts ready. I generated the prompt with ChatGPT, so I'm going to copy it from ChatGPT and come back here and paste it into the prompt box. I'm going to set the duration to 10 seconds. Choose my aspect ratio, which is going to be 16:9, and hit generate. That's it. But wait, you're probably wondering, okay, Jane, what website is this? Well, here it is. It's called Dollar AI. And getting started is really simple. You just go to Google and search Dollar. Click the first result and this is the website. You can create both AI images and AI videos right here. So log in with an email address and just follow the setup steps and you're ready to go. Then you can come back now to the video generator as I did in the opener. Choose your prompt, select 2.5 and generate. Now, the generation has started and Dollar is telling me that this video will use 4 points. In this Dollar AI, you get 5 points every day, which means you can actually test Seedance 2.5 for free. But there's something even better. There's actually a way to use this AI tool for free and unlimited. And I've already made a full video showing you exactly how to do it. I'm going to link it up here and also in the description box. So if you want unlimited access, click the video link above and check the link in the description. Now, let's see what we just created.
Wrong car. You really chose today.
There you have it, a full 10 seconds Seedance 2.5 generation without paying for it. Dollar AI also has a mobile version, so just know you can do exactly this whole process when you download the application from the App Store. Now, there are a couple of limitations that you would have noticed with this Dollar AI. This Dollar AI doesn't give you up to 30 seconds long generation. It caps it at 10 seconds. Dollar AI 2 is not going to allow you put a reference image of a physical person. Keep that in mind. But honestly, if you want to experiment with Seedance 2.5 and create generations unlimitedly every day, you can try this without even needing a subscription. So try it out, create something crazy, and let me know what you make. You can follow me on Telegram for more useful tips on free AI tools. I am Jane. This is Everyday AI with Jane, and I'll see you on the next video.